Now, Jonathan's gonna go first, and we're going to talk about the perm. Now, perms are back, which is weird. Because back in the day, that was one of the many, many mistakes that I made. Remember the Tony perm in the box, that kind of thing?
Yes.
Meg Ryan. Actually, her perm was
It's
great.
kind of iconic.
Yeah,
I'm not mad at
that's
it.
from When Harry Met Sally, of course.
That's great.
And then this is Olivia Munn with a perm today.
Yes.
Yeah.
So it's a much more relaxed, it's softer, it's beachier, and it's just a much more like effortless, and it's more about like controlled body than like as big as humanly possible.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
But I mean, no shade. I loved a big as humanly possible perm.
Right.
But now it's just a little bit like easier.
Now it's a little more chilled out, like
Yeah.
at the end of the old perm.
Exactly.
Right.
That's where we start.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's take a look at our viewer. You helped out Audra. Okay, Audra has great hair. She
Really
has
great
straight
hair.
hair.
Beautiful
Yeah. So can we take a look at her now?
Yes,
You
yes,
can
yes,
walk
yes,
us
yes,
through.
yes,
Come
yes,
on
yes,
out.
yes, yes.
Audra looks beautiful.
Thank you.
So can we talk about how long this takes?
So it's a few hours. It's a little bit of a commitment. One of the things that makes this perm a lot different from the perms of yesteryear is that now we have this product called a bond builder. And so the one that we use for this is called Olaplex. And what Olaplex does is it turns the perm more semi-permanent. So they really like, it's not such a commitment. You don't have to like grow it out from the root.
It's still the same old rods and all that. Does it stink less? Because it smelled like something died under the porch.
So Olaplex kind of softens it like a little bit. It's still kind of a little.
It's formaldehyde.
Wasn't the greatest smell.
Not the greatest smell.
It isn't the greatest
Wasn't
smell.
the worst.
But
Not the best.
Benjamin over at Arte Salon, who did this, he's an amazing texture person.
salon you work with?
Yes, that's why
Yes.
I'm here in New York. But he did a few different sizes, so it really mimics a more natural wave. When you do the same size rod everywhere, it's more uniform.
It's that big ringlet thing.
Exactly.
I'm totally gonna do this.
You have to, and you
I'm
love a
gonna do
beach
this.
wave.
You already look like you have it.
I know, but do you know what I have to do to get this? I just want to wake up looking like that.
I know.
It's pretty nice. I'm not gonna lie.
The caveat for people that are perms, though, it's definitely not like, oh, like I never have to touch my hair again. Like for her, we definitely put in a moisture attracting mousse. So a little bit of a mousse that's curl enhancing. It's gonna give her a little bit of shine.
Oh my God, mousse is back too. I feel
Mousse
like
is
I'm
so
an
all
80
of
guy.
It is not crunchy. Diffusers are really good for curly haired people. It's like this, like, you guys, please, like, just do yourself a favor.
Get
like,
one.
you waves, yes, diffuser. We love it.